Hey there, crochet enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of the Woobles Easy Peasy Beginner Bundle Crochet Kit, the perfect all-in-one crochet knitting kit for complete beginners. This delightful bundle includes 4 adorable characters: Pierre the Penguin, Felix the Fox, JoJo the Bunny, and Kiki the Chick, each designed to bring joy and a sense of accomplishment to your crafting journey. With everything you need right in the box, from easy peasy yarn to pre-started yarn, eyes, a yarn needle, a crochet hook, stuffing, and a handy storage bag, you'll be all set to start your crochet adventure. The Woobles has made learning a breeze with easy-to-follow video tutorials for both right and left-handed users, guiding you step by step through the entire process, and offering unlimited help via email and text, plus virtual crochet office hours. Their custom-made Easy Peasy yarn is crafted especially for beginners, making it simple to see your stitches and ensuring a smooth crafting experience. Thousands have already learned to crochet the Woobles way, and now it's your turn to pick up this rewarding hobby with the Easy Peasy Beginner Bundle. So, why wait? Unleash your creativity and discover the joy of crocheting today.